There's a problem with this laptop.
Likewise, I'm having a problem with this laptop here.
Is that the new quad-core i7?
It is actually, yeah. Customers.
Oh my god. Customers, yeah.
Not working.
This is an old lady's laptop.
An old lady?
Yeah. I don't know what's wrong.
Maybe it's
I've
the
been working
screen. I
on
think
it
the
for
screen's a bit broken.
No, there's there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the screen.
I think you'll find there is. Just there. No, just there. See? Broken.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, it's a broken screen.
Yeah.
The old lady's
cost her.
not going to be best pleased.
That's going to cost her, isn't it? A couple
300
of quid. 300. Yeah. You want to have a look at the keyboard? Anyway, I'm going to go and fix this.
There's nothing wrong with the keyboard.
There is.
There's nothing wrong. Look.
Yeah. Yeah. Just there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's broke. Yeah. New keyboard, new screen. I'll tell you what, the best thing we can do, go to our parts department. What we do, put that back in.
Okay. We need a new keyboard.
Now, just straighten it out.
Right, okay.
Stick it together.
Okay.
I don't think you'll notice any different.
Hold on, you didn't put the old lady's hard drive. There was lots of
Stick it
porn
under
on
there.
there.
Was there porn?
Yeah.
Did you have a look?
Yes.
Was it good?
No, very old porn.
Should have uploaded it. There we
Right.
go.
Thank you.
Shall I fill out an invoice? 450?
Make it 5.
Make it 5.
Because you'll never know.
Sales Direct, 2009.
Coming at ya.
That's how we roll.